This is a step-by-step guide on how to use the SafeCollect Saliva Collection Kit. Please make sure that you do not eat, drink, smoke, brush your teeth, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your sample. Your SafeCollect Saliva Collection Kit will come in a clamshell or a pouch. To open the pouch, peel from the green arrows at the top. To open the clamshell, lift the tab and remove the instructions. Read all instructions prior to use. Begin by opening the packaging and removing the instructions and tube with the attached funnel. Leave the cap in the package for later use. Examine the SafeCollect sample collection tube to locate the fill line. Place the funnel opening under your mouth just below your lower lip and spit into the funnel until your saliva reaches the fill line. Bubbles do not count. Once you have reached the fill line, hold the sample collection tube upright and remove the funnel by twisting the cap off. Discard the funnel cap. Remove the small white-topped cap from the package by grabbing it only by the ribbed top. Do not touch the pointed end of the cap or allow it to touch any surfaces, as this could contaminate the sample. Close the tube by holding the tube upright on a flat surface. Tightly screw the cap onto the tube and double-check that it is on securely. The cap will automatically pierce the safety seal, mixing the saliva sample with the solution. Mix the saliva sample with the solution inside the SafeCollect tube by inverting it 5 times. The sample is now ready to ship.